Looking at your meeting calendar, do you often wonder how much traveling time this is going to take? Video conferencing can offer you a solution to save time and cost. Let's first understand the requirements for doing a video conference meeting. First of all, we need a video conferencing codec. It's the heart and brain of video conferencing. Codec can be a hardware endpoint, software, or web conferencing compliant browser, like Google Chrome and Firefox. Then you need a display to show your video. Display can be a LED screen, desktop, laptop, and mobile. You also need a video camera, which can be webcam, or a pan-tilt zoom PTZ camera. Remember, if you have more people in the meeting room, HD cameras give better clarity. You also need microphone and speaker for audio, and not to forget connectivity over internet connection or lease line, fiber, or WeSauT. There are other factors too which impact the quality of your video meetings. 1. Lighting should be optimized with minimum glare. 2. Clean background, preferably in blue or gray solid colors. 3. Audio acoustics or sound absorption in the room. 4. And most importantly, the speed of your internet connection. With these factors set, you are ready to start your video conference meetings with a good solution provider like InfoComm. InfoComm offers easy video conferencing over the browser, for anyone, anywhere. What are you waiting for? Sign up for your free trial now. Visit www.instoec.com.